Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. This is 52 and 22, and this week was cards, and it was your choice. And of course I did mixed media. So, I want to explain the background of this. It's Atlas. And I just colored the Atlas with some paint and doodled on it and stenciled on it and made a background. This is an Arts by Marlene image. I thought she looked like a little flower girl. And then I got some gems on here. The inside, got a couple hearts, and it got wet, so I added that little coloring. I thought it looked kind of cool, so I was leaving it. And just write a little hello, how are you, or congrats, or whatever. Just a little card. There's that one. And then same thing here is the same paper, and I have it somewhere. It's right here. And all I did is rip. This is what the front looks like. And then when you turn it over, that's what the back looks like. It's kind of cool looking, isn't it? So what I did is I just ripped. I used strips to finish off both cards. And in the center is the back side. And then I have this little image of Arts by Marlene. I added the gems on top. And then she had this coming down, and I added a gem there. This is Queen Lollipop. Live a colorful life. And that's what this one looks like inside. See, they got wet. It's in here when I was spraying. So, them are my two cards for this week. I hope you enjoy them. I thought they're cute. And if I want, because I'm not happy with that, I can just take that off and do something with it. But them are my two cards. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody.